Most cruisers lose hundreds of dollars on Royal Caribbean drink packages, not because they drink too much, but because they choose the wrong package before they even step on the ship. And in 2026, it's easier than ever to get it wrong. Royal Caribbean has changed the rules. Some drink packages now include more than before. Some flexibility is completely gone. And there's even a new hybrid option that sounds smart but only works if you understand how it's designed. The problem is, most people book their drink package months before sailing, when everything sounds simple. One price, unlimited drinks, no stress. But halfway through the cruise, reality hits, and by then, it's too late to fix. In this video, I'll break down every Royal Caribbean drink package for 2026, explain what's changed, and show you how to choose the right option without overpaying. If you want to cruise smarter and avoid expensive mistakes, stay with me and subscribe for more cruise breakdowns like this. Number 1. Deluxe Beverage Package. The Deluxe Beverage Package is the most popular and most misunderstood drink package on Royal Caribbean. This is the unlimited option, designed for cruisers who want full freedom when it comes to drinks. With this package, almost every drink on the ship is included. That means cocktails, spirits, beer, and wine. It also covers premium coffees, specialty teas, fountain sodas, Coca-Cola freestyle drinks, bottled water, and fresh juices. From morning coffee to late-night cocktails, everything is bundled into one daily price. But the most important thing to understand in 2026 is the cabin rule. If one adult in your stateroom purchases the Deluxe Beverage Package, every other adult of legal drinking age in that same cabin must also purchase it. There are no exceptions anymore. It doesn't matter if someone drinks less, doesn't drink alcohol, or used to qualify for an exception in the past. Sharing is also strictly prohibited. Every drink you order must be for you. Crew members actively watch for sharing, and if it happens, the package can be canceled without a refund. This package works best for cruisers who drink consistently throughout the day and value convenience over tracking costs. Number 2. Royal Refreshment Package. The Royal Refreshment Package is the non-alcoholic drink package, and in 2026, it has quietly become one of the most valuable options on Royal Caribbean ships. This package includes almost every drink on board that does not contain alcohol. That means unlimited fountain sodas, Coca-Cola freestyle drinks, mocktails, premium coffees, specialty teas, fresh juices, smoothies, and bottled water. For many cruisers, that alone covers most of what they drink throughout the day. What makes this package more interesting now is a key update. Royal Caribbean has added non-alcoholic beers, wines, and spirits to the refreshment package, as long as you are of legal drinking age. In previous years, these drinks were excluded, which made the package feel limited. That is no longer the case. This package does not trigger the cabin rule. One adult can buy it without forcing other adults in the stateroom to do the same. Because of that, it works very well for mixed groups where not everyone wants alcohol. The refreshment package is ideal for non-drinkers, light drinkers, teens, and cruisers who consume a lot of coffee, soda, and bottled water, but do not want to pay for unlimited alcohol. Number 3. Classic Soda Package. The Classic Soda Package is the simplest drink package Royal Caribbean offers, and it's designed for cruisers who mainly drink soda and nothing else. With this package, you get unlimited fountain sodas throughout your cruise, along with a Coca-Cola Freestyle souvenir cup. That cup lets you refill as often as you want at freestyle machines around the ship, giving you access to a wide variety of soda flavors. If soda is your go-to drink by the pool, at meals, or between activities, this package removes the need to pay per cup. However, it's important to understand what this package does not include. It does not cover bottled water, specialty coffees, juices, mocktails, or any non-alcoholic specialty drinks. Those are all charged separately. Because of that, many cruisers overestimate its value and still end up paying extra for other drinks during the cruise. The soda package works best for guests who drink multiple sodas every day and rarely order anything else. It's also a popular option for kids and teens who want unlimited soda without access to alcohol. If you only have one soda per day, this package usually isn't worth it. But for frequent soda drinkers who want a low-cost, no-thinking option, it can still make sense. Number 4. Refreshment plus 10 Drinks Hybrid Package. The Refreshment plus 10 Drinks package is one of the newest and most confusing options Royal Caribbean has introduced, especially for 2026. At first glance, it sounds like a smart middle ground, but it only works in very specific situations. This package includes everything from the Royal Refreshment Package, all non-alcoholic drinks like sodas, premium coffees, juices, mocktails, bottled water, and non-alcoholic beers and wines. On top of that, it also includes 10 alcoholic drinks for the entire cruise. And that detail is critical. Those 10 alcoholic drinks are not per day. They are shared across the full sailing. Whether your cruise is 9 nights or 14 nights, you still only get 10 total alcoholic drinks. Once those 10 drinks are used, any additional alcoholic drinks are charged individually. Because of this structure, the package is mainly offered on longer sailings, such as transatlantic cruises or voyages, with 9 or more nights. It's designed for cruisers who drink alcohol occasionally, but still want the convenience of a drink package. This option does not force other adults in the cabin to buy it, which makes it appealing for mixed groups. However, heavy drinkers usually find it limiting, while very light drinkers may not use all 10 drinks. This package only makes sense if your drinking is moderate and predictable. Number 5. Drink package pricing in 2026. Drink package pricing on Royal Caribbean is not fixed, and that's one of the main reasons cruisers get confused. In 2026, prices vary widely, depending on the ship, the length of the sailing, and when you choose to buy. The Deluxe Beverage Package typically falls somewhere between $55 and $115 per person per day. Short sailings and newer ships often sit on the higher end, while longer itineraries can sometimes offer lower daily rates. The Royal Refreshment Package usually ranges from the high 20s to low 40s per day, while the Classic Soda Package is the least expensive, often landing between $10 and $18 per day. The hybrid refreshment plus 10 drinks option generally prices in the mid-30s, but availability is limited. What matters most is when you buy. Purchasing a drink package on board is almost always the most expensive option. Prices on the ship can be significantly higher than pre-cruise rates, sometimes by $40 or $50 per day for the deluxe package alone. Royal Caribbean frequently runs promotions before sailing, and prices can go up or down multiple times. That's why many experienced cruisers buy early, then monitor prices and rebook if a better deal appears. Understanding pricing is less about finding the cheapest number and more about knowing how the system works. Number 6. Rules and fine print. Most cruisers miss. Royal Caribbean drink packages sound simple on the surface, but the fine print is where most cruisers get caught off guard. These rules matter because once your cruise starts, there is very little flexibility. First, drink packages cannot be shared. Every package is tied to the individual who purchased it. You cannot order drinks for friends, family, or even someone in your own cabin who does not have a package. Crew members are trained to watch for sharing, and if it happens, the package can be canceled without a refund. Second, drink packages must be purchased for the entire cruise. You cannot buy a package for only a few days or skip sea days. While Royal Caribbean sometimes allows you to buy a package after the cruise has started, you still pay a prorated amount covering the remaining days. Another common misunderstanding involves Starbucks. Drinks from a standalone Starbucks kiosk are not included in any drink package. However, Starbucks-branded drinks served at ship cafes like Café Promenade or Café Latitudes are included. Knowing the difference can prevent surprise charges. Finally, all packages have daily drink limits and price caps per drink. Anything above the allowed price is charged separately. These details may seem small, but they can affect your overall experience if you don't know them in advance. Number 7. Smart ways to save money on drink packages. If you decide to buy a Royal Caribbean drink package, How you buy it matters almost as much as which one you choose. This is where many cruisers either save a lot of money or overpay without realizing it. The smartest move is to buy your drink package before the cruise. Pre-cruise prices are almost always lower than onboard prices. In fact, buying a package once you're already on the ship can cost dramatically more, especially for the Deluxe Beverage Package. Royal Caribbean intentionally prices onboard packages higher to encourage early purchases. Another important strategy is watching for sales. Royal Caribbean regularly runs promotions around major holidays like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and even random seasonal events. Prices can change multiple times before you're sailing. Here's the key detail most people miss. You can cancel and rebook a drink package anytime before your cruise if the price drops. There is no penalty. Because of this, many experienced cruisers buy early to lock in a price, then keep checking for discounts. If a better deal appears, they cancel and rebook at the lower rate. This approach removes risk. If prices go up, you're protected. If prices go down, you save money. It's one of the easiest ways to avoid overpaying. Number 8. Alternatives to unlimited drink packages. Unlimited drink packages are not the only way to handle drinks on a Royal Caribbean cruise. For many cruisers, alternative options actually make more sense, especially if drinking habits are light or very specific. One popular alternative is the Cafe Select Coffee Card. This option is designed for cruisers who mainly want specialty coffee. Instead of unlimited drinks, you get a physical card with a set number of punches, usually 15. Each punch covers a specialty coffee like a latte or espresso. Unlike drink packages, this card can be shared between people, which makes it useful for couples or families. Another benefit is flexibility. Any unused punches can be carried over to a future sailing. Royal Caribbean also offers bottled water packages. These come in packs of 12 or 24, 1-liter bottles, and are delivered directly to your cabin on embarkation day. This option works well for cruisers who drink a lot of water, prefer bottled water over tap water, or want water to take on shore excursions. Of course, there is always the pay-as-you-go option. Regular coffee, water from dispensers, tea, lemonade, and some juices are already included in your cruise fare. For very light drinkers, paying individually for the occasional soda or cocktail can still be cheaper than any package. Choosing alternatives requires honesty about what you actually drink. Number 9. Convenience versus cost. The real decision factor. For many cruisers, the real decision behind a drink package isn't about saving money at all, it's about convenience. And understanding this difference can help you choose the right option without second-guessing yourself. With a drink package, you remove friction. You don't check prices. You don't think twice before ordering. You don't worry about how much the bill will be at the end of the cruise. That peace of mind is the main reason many cruisers buy a package year after year, even when they know they might not break even on paper. Without a package, every drink becomes a decision. Do I really want this? Is it worth the price? Should I wait until later? Over the course of a cruise, those small moments add up and can change how relaxed you feel on vacation. That said, convenience comes at a cost. If you're naturally frugal, rarely order drinks, or prefer being mindful of spending, paying per drink can feel more comfortable and controlled. Some cruisers actually enjoy knowing exactly what they're paying for. There's no right or wrong mindset here. The key is knowing which matters more to you: maximum convenience or maximum cost efficiency. Once you answer that honestly, the choice becomes much clearer. Number 10. Is a drink package actually worth it? Whether a Royal Caribbean drink package is worth it comes down to how you actually cruise, not how the package is marketed. There is no universal yes or no answer, and that's where many people get it wrong. The biggest factor is drinking habits. If you regularly enjoy specialty coffee in the morning, sodas or mocktails during the day, and a few cocktails or glasses of wine in the evening, a drink package can quickly pay for itself. On the other hand, if you only have one drink per day, or skip drinks entirely on some days, paying per drink is often cheaper. Sea days versus port days also matter. On sea days, you're on the ship for most of the day, which makes it easier to use a drink package. On port-heavy itineraries, you may spend long hours off the ship, reducing the value of an unlimited package. Another consideration is pacing. On longer cruises, some cruisers find it difficult to maintain the daily consumption needed to justify an unlimited package. Tastes change, energy levels drop, and drinking patterns often slow down. The key is being realistic. A drink package is only a good deal if it matches how you will actually behave on vacation, not how you think you might behave. By now, you've seen that Royal Caribbean drink packages are not about finding a single best option. The right choice depends on a few simple factors, and once you line them up honestly, the decision becomes much easier. At the end of the day, choosing a Royal Caribbean drink package isn't about finding the cheapest option, it's about choosing the one that fits how you cruise. That's the full breakdown of Royal Caribbean drink packages for 2026. If this helped you understand which option actually fits your cruise style, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you decided and why. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sailing.